Samsung Dishwasher Error Code PC, a troubleshooting guide. So, the basic error code on a Samsung dishwasher usually means there's a zone wash or diverter motor issue. So the dishwasher is having trouble directing water to the correct spray arms. This can be caused by a temporary glitch, a blockage, or a faulty internal part. So the first thing you can try is to reset the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it, or switch off the breaker that's connected to it, of course, for about 5 minutes. Then just power it back on. The simple reset can clear minor control board or sensor errors that trigger the PC code. Next is to check for blockages and spray arm issues. So this step, you're gonna have to open the dishwasher and inspect the spray arms and interior. Make sure nothing like utensils or food debris is blocking movement, and remove and rinse the spray arms if needed, since clogs can prevent proper water flow and confuse the diverter system. And finally, you can try inspecting the driver motor. This is a little bit advanced, but if the error does persist, the diverter motor or sensor may be faulty. The part controls where water is sent during cycles, and at this point, it's best to have it checked or replaced by a technician. If you're not an expert, try avoiding doing it by yourself to avoid any further issues. And if the PC error keeps coming back after a reset and cleaning, professional repair is much recommended, as continued use may affect washing performance. But those are a few options you can try to fix this error. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.